Okay, I guess I need some psychological help. All right, nice. 911. This one, another profit though. The balance is $1,187, right? So, hello everybody guys, my name is Alex, and guess what? I guess you kinda assuming and suggesting that we're gonna be trading today, and what I truly think about is how to remind you about joining my Telegram private group again, because I guess I've done it a couple thousand times or 100 times, but I'm doing it for quite frequently, and I'm trying to assist you right there, guys. So, reminding you again, do not forget to join my VIP Telegram private group. The link is gonna be below in the description, because entering that group is giving you a lot of great and then important and vital and necessary data that you need to acknowledge, that you need to receive in order to become successful in the trading journey as a trader. So today we're going to be having another trading session as well, and we are having $121. So do not forget to leave a like, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's just start. The first bet is gonna be $70. I'm not willing to go all in Euro and Russian ruble. So I mean, Vortex gives bullish crossover, as well as I'm having some notifications, I'm sorry. Price just bounced from the lower fractal band, and this is why I want to go long. Perfect beginning. Oh my god. I mean, the buyers just could not hold the price, you know. They just were not really able to do it. I mean, the rubles pressure is continuing. So lines breaking down. So I'm going for short. Right now I'm very much disappointed, honestly, and I don't know if I will have. Right now I'm very much disappointed, and I don't really know if I'm having courage enough to continue this video. I don't know, like, now for me it's like pointless of continuing the video, because I don't know, just making me mad. Great, $97 right there, and 46 is our profit. Almost 47 though. Everything is live, you know. I'm showing you everything, and I'm posting this video, I bet. Overall, there's a downtrend. Vortex, Supertrend, and Parabolic, they all confirming the further downside. So we are entering the short option on a bounce. And here we go. Going all in, leaving 92 cents. And I mean, no, I'm not complaining or just stressing out, but I just don't feel comfortable in this kind of situations, you know. Nice. All right, great. Now it's nice. So Australian dollars with the British pounds. First of all, I'm having 130 here, and I expect a breakout. First of all, I can see that there is strong buying activity seen on the pound side. So Parabolic side and the Supertrend, they're confirming the growth further one. So I would love to go long, but and I am indeed going, but the key point here that the entry spot was not, I mean, It's not really great. It's not really the way I wanted it to be, but that's all right. Nice. Great. $120 of the profit. Okay, having euro and British pounds. I guess we're gonna be going short because we can see that there was a resistance point of 0.89500, and it couldn't just break it. Now Vortex and the SAR, they are supporting the movement. I mean, short down movement. Okay, I guess I need some psychological help, but $156 of the profit we have just received, which is nice. Australian dollars and the Japanese yen. Wow, there is a heavy selling pressure on Australian dollars though. I mean, all indicators, they are confirming the bearish movement, and I'm going 220. Almost half of our balance. I'm going for short. Must be easy though, innit? There we go. Now I got it. $202 of the profit. We are overall having the similar situation as with the Australian dollars and Japanese yen, and I believe there is some selling situation and there is some situation with Australian dollars in the market in Australia. So I don't know. Just waiting for that. Just waiting for that win. Just waiting for that profit. Alright, nice. 911. The balance is kind of trying to say something or what? It's $911. Nice. Okay, I like this. Let's go back to Euro and Russian ruble, and this time buyers stepped. I mean, they look more stronger, I would say. This time buyers look more, not more, but they look just stronger, and I'm betting $300 right there. I believe they're gonna be breaking the fractal after the consolidation, and because the main reason why I think that they're gonna break, and they are breaking, just owing to the fact that all of the indicators, they were confirming the long option. So guys, everything is pretty obvious. If you willing to get the money, I'm not talking about any magic or something like this. It's still work, you still gotta do something in order to get something. However, if you compare this one, another profit though, the balance is $1,187, right? Nice. Yeah, if you compare that to other jobs and to other things that you may do and get the money, I mean, it's uncomparable. The amount of the work that you're doing, exactly the thing that you're gonna be doing to receive that amount of money. I mean, there is no such job that you're gonna be doing something and working on the shift's hours and hours and receiving that amount of money. Now, of course, I do really understand that that's high risk and high reward. That's obvious. No complaint about that. I'm not denying that. But I'm giving you, by giving you the data that is in my Telegram private group, I'm lowering the risk that you might be having. So here you go. Just go and join and enjoy. Alright, so thank you for watching. Please do not forget to leave a like and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. The link for the Telegram private group is going to be below the description. So Thank you, really appreciate you all.